Hello friends, welcome to the channel Engineering Mathematics for GATE exam. For GATE exam point of view, solving the questions fastly will make you the luxurious time for tough questions. Okay, so in this channel I will show you how to solve the GATE exam questions. Okay, for this video I will going to tell you the shortcut for eigenvalues for the given matrix. So we will see how to solve the eigenvalues problem very fast way. Okay, for that purpose just let us take a matrix A which has the rows a1 a2 a3 and so on, b1 b2 b3 and so on, c1 c2 c3 and so on like for example up to it is Zn. Okay, for this matrix the sum of the eigenvalues is sum of the diagonal elements of this matrix, that is nothing but a1 plus b2 plus c3 plus d4 plus and so on like Zn. So for any matrix, okay, sum of the eigenvalues will be the addition of diagonal elements in the for the given matrix. Okay, that is the point 1. And second point you have to remember is product of the eigenvalues is equal to the determinant of the matrix. Just find out the determinant of the matrix, that will be equal to the multiplication of the eigenvalues of the matrix. Okay, now we will see one example so that you will get better understanding. See, take the example. If 3 is the eigenvalue of the singular matrix, the matrix is given in this 8. In the first row, the elements are 8, minus 6, 2. In the second row, the elements are minus 6, 7, minus 4. In the third row, the elements are 2, minus 4, 3. This is the matrix. Then the other eigenvalues of the matrix are, that is the question. So we have to find the other eigenvalues. So if you look into the matrix, it is a 3 by 3 matrix. So you will have the 3 eigenvalues. One is given as 3. So you have to find remaining 2. Let us suppose take those as x, y. Okay, x and y. So as the concepts explained you the before just now, the first point is sum of the eigenvalues is the addition of diagonal elements for the given matrix. So 8 plus 7 plus 3 is equal to the sum of the eigenvalues. Okay, the total is sum of the eigenvalues of the matrix is 8 plus 7 plus 3, that is 18. So given matrix is a 3 by 3, so there are 3 eigenvalues. Among those, one eigenvalue is given as 3. So remaining 2 eigenvalues are x plus y is equal to 18. Just subtract the third one, already given 3. So 18 minus 3, that is 15. So x plus y is equal to 15. Just look at the options. You may get sometimes you may get the answer by this first point itself. So look at the options. Okay, in the first option option A, the other eigenvalues are given as 0, 15. So you add 0 plus 15 is equal to 15. So it may be the answer, chances are there. Next one is option B, 8 plus 15, that is 23. So sum is not 15, so it is not the correct answer. So look into the option C, that is sum 8 plus 7, that is 15. Okay, so sum is 15, so it may be there is a chance for this option also. And look at the option D, that is 7 plus 15, 22. So sum is not 15. So from the first point two options are eliminated, those are B and D. So the possible answer is A or C. So just look into the question carefully. In the question it is mentioned as singular matrix. You know what is singular matrix? Singular matrix is a singular matrix has the determinant 0. So in our second point, product of eigenvalues is equal to determinant of the matrix. But in the question it is clearly mentioned as singular matrix, we need not to calculate for this question. So determinant is 0. So the product of the eigenvalues must be 0. So what it indicates? There must be 1 0 in the eigenvalues. So directly option A is correct. If you multiply 3 into 0 into 15, 0. But in the case of C, option C, 3 into 18, 8 into 7, that is not 0. So directly you got the answer, because in the question it is mentioned as singular matrix. Suppose if it is not mentioned, then you have to calculate the determinant of the matrix. Then verify with options. Okay, just look at this. So look at this. Product of the eigenvalues of the matrix is the determinant of the matrix. So for the given matrix, the determinant is 8 into 21 minus 16 minus of 6 into minus 18 plus 8 plus 2 into 24 minus 14. That is nothing but 40 minus 60 plus 20, that is equal to 0. So as I said, one eigenvalue must be 0. So x plus y is equal to 0, put x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 15. So the remaining other eigenvalues of the given matrix are 0, 15. So the correct option is A. Even if it is not a singular matrix, you can try and verify it. Okay, using these 2 points, sum of the eigenvalues of the given matrix is addition of the diagonal elements of the given matrix. Product of the eigenvalues is equal to determinant of the given matrix. Just remember these 2 points. You can solve any question within fraction of seconds, sometimes or within a minute. Okay, it will save you the time. Thanks for watching. If you really like the video, please click onto the like option and please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.